subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone Wi-Fi not connecting and say to you incorrect password, so why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So just open the settings, just open your Wi-Fi and just check if you right password. So just check if you really write not wrong password, and also you can tap on your network and just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. So after, just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And also you can scroll down, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.